On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp chat backup easily and fast. All what you wanna do, guys, to fix the problem of the chat backup stack is very simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and scroll until you find the WhatsApp, click on it and then click on the force stop option and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on data usage and then disable the roaming data and the background data. Go back and last thing you want to do now is open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp and then click on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.